Now, if we take a look at other markets, the Nasdaq 100, for example, here's what I think is playing. I think the green count is playing out. The red count suggests that we're coming to the end of the move. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this is not, the Nasdaq is in a five-wave move, okay? So it makes sense that these are five-wave moves, but we're ending a pretty stretched five-wave move. And so if it's the red count, then we should see a five-wave drop from here. I don't think that's the case when I look at other charts. I think the green count is probably playing out to some degree, which means that we have a 1, 2, we're ending the third wave, and we get a fourth wave for maybe a couple months in the beginning of the year, followed by that final blow-off move, which could take us into March, April. We'll have to see how it plays out, but this is what I'm thinking is happening with the Nasdaq 100. We hit our very first target today or yesterday, 1673. We've had these targets on our chart for months, and these targets are important. The Nasdaq 100 has room to support a move up to 18,000. I don't know if it's going to get there, but these swings support that move if the market really gets moving.